Hi, I'm Cindy Seitz-Krug, and this is my quilt, Simply Santa Fe, and it's got kind of a funny story that goes along with it. So they asked me if I would talk to you about it. So the front, obviously, you can see is done with cherry wood hand-dyed fabrics. So some of the areas are very dark, dark blue, there's dark purples, dark greens, and they bled. So when I washed it after working hundreds and hundreds of hours on this quilt, I did have some bleeding on the front, but I kept washing it till it came out. But when I blocked it, some of that bleeding sunk through the quilt to the backing, and I had a solid backing. So I was mortified. What am I gonna do? Because I knew the judges would not like to see places where the fabric had bled on the back. So I started doing some fancy footworking and thinking, what am I gonna do? So I used Shiva paint sticks and basically decorator stencils for your, for your home. And I just stamped or stenciled the back of the quilt with Shiva paint sticks. And basically what that did was camouflage all that bleeding that came through. So you can see, like right here, it's a little darker. That was a purple area, but because of that stencil, it's camouflaged, and nobody knows that was a problem to begin with. So, and when I had it appraised, the appraiser loved the back of the quilt. So, anyways, that, necessity is the mother of invention, case in point.